Good web design always caters to the needs of the user. Are your web visitors looking for information, entertainment, some type of interaction, or to transact with your business? Each page of your website needs to have a clear purpose and to fulfill a specific need for your website users in the most effective way possible.
I want to look something up.
What's the purpose?
What's the square root of 23?
What's the meaning of it all?
Are you okay, website?
Error.
It's okay.
People on the web tend to want information quickly, so it is important to communicate clearly and make your information easy to read and digest. Some effective tactics include organizing information using headlines and subheadlines, using bullet points instead of long, windy sentences, and cutting the waffle.
So what's the weather like outside?
It's really nice, and it's just so sunny and like windy, and it just blows the trees and all the flowers, and then it smells really good, and I just love the sun beating on my face.
Heard any good news lately?
Not really. There was like one about like this bus, and like all these kids got hurt, and it was just really sad, and I just wanted to cry.
In general, sans serif fonts such as Arial and Verdana are easier to read online. Sans serif fonts are contemporary-looking fonts without decorative finishes. The ideal font size for reading easily online is 16 pixels and stick to a maximum of 3 typefaces and a maximum of 3 point sizes to keep your design streamlined.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. I can't read this. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. That is so small, I can't read this.
A well thought out color palette can go a long way to enhance the user experience. Complementary colors create balance and harmony. Using contrasting colors for the text and background will make reading easier on the eye. Vibrant colors create emotion and should be used sparingly. Last but not least, white space or negative space is very effective at giving your website a modern and uncluttered look. A picture can speak 1,000 words, and choosing the right images for your website can help with brand positioning and connecting with your target audience. If you don't have high-quality professional photos on hand, consider purchasing stock photos to lift the look of your website. Also, consider using infographics, videos, and graphics, as these can be much more effective at communicating than even the most well-written piece of text. Navigation is about how easy it is for people to take action and move around your website. Some tactics for effective navigation include a logical page hierarchy, using breadcrumbs, designing clickable buttons, and following the 3-click rule, which means users will be able to find the information they are looking for within 3 clicks.
So, can you take me to contacts? I want to go to the home page. No, go back. Oh my gosh, no, take me back to the home page.
Placing content randomly on your web page can end up with a haphazard appearance that is messy. Grid-based layouts arrange content into sections, columns, and boxes that line up and feel balanced, which leads to a better looking website design.
This is all wrong.
Eye tracking studies have identified that people scan computer screens in an F pattern. Most of what people see is in the top and left of the screen, and the right side of the screen is rarely seen. Rather than trying to force the viewer's visual flow, effectively designed websites will work with the reader's natural behavior and display information in order of importance, left to right and top to bottom.
What is going on with this website? Twinkle, twinkle little star? How, I wonder what you are? What even? Up above the world so high. I can't even do this. I can't.
Everybody hates a website that takes ages to load. Tips to make page load times more effective include optimizing image sizes by sizing and scaling, combining code into a central CSS or JavaScript file, which includes HTTP requests, and minify HTML, CSS, JavaScript, compressed to speed up their load time.
Look up cats.
Article found on cats. Cats are animals that are usually used as pets. Household pets for any.
It is now commonplace to access websites from multiple devices with multiple screen sizes, so it is important to consider if your website is mobile friendly. If your website is not mobile friendly, you can either rebuild it in a responsive layout, meaning your website will adjust to different screen widths, or you can build a dedicated mobile site, which is a separate website optimized specifically for mobile users.
Do you want to play a game?
No.
Well, do you want to go to the park?
Not really.
How about movies? You want to go see a movie?
No, I've already seen them all.
Do you want to go out to dinner?
I'm not that hungry, so no.
Well, do you want to go see a football game?
I don't like sports.
Why don't you like me?